Doge is doing a massive fake out, and if that sounds interesting, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge Analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge, as of right now, we are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks at the 0.07 level. In yesterday's video, of course, I mentioned the fact that although we are seeing a bounce formation, we have yet to test our major support level here at 0.064, and I wouldn't be looking for a long position until this level is tested. I've taught you guys this many times that even though we get near a support level and then a bounce, 9 out of 10 times a move will still happen and we tend to hit that support level accurately before we continue pushing on higher. And as of right now, Doge is looking extremely bearish. You can see from the 4-hour perspective, we actually saw multiple retests of this resistance here at 0.071, trying to break above that level with no clear break, as well as the fact that right now we are creating a bearish engulfing candle, and any break below this move would mean the fact that Doge is ready to continue pushing on lower. For those of you that are paying attention, you can also see that we do have a beautiful M formation also being formed here, which is another bearish analysis area. So if we do see that confirmation to the downside, we will be looking at this level as, of course, a magnet. I do want to talk about, of course, yesterday's move. You can see that we were in oversold conditions right here on the RSI, so we were expecting a nice bounce. In my opinion, I would have liked a nice support level retest and then the bounce opportunity, but you can see the bulls pretty much took control of the level almost immediately, and now we could be looking for a possible continuation. I won't be bullish on Doge until I see a clean break above the 0.075 level, find it as support, and then a continuation. And for those of you that are looking for what a clean break formation would look like, it would look something like this, where we actually go retest a support level and immediately after have strong bullish engulfing candles come in. Right now, Doge, of course, is not seeing that volume on the 4-hour. We are failing to break above those EMAs as well. So any clean break above that level would mean the fact that we did find somewhat of a local bottom continuation before we actually continue pushing on further. Of course, in the overall analysis, I am still quite bearish on Doge because of the fact that you can see, even from previous price analysis, we still have yet to test our major daily support level here at 0.05, as well as our capitulation level here at 0.04. Now, entering at these levels, a lot of you guys have asked me, hey, is it a good idea to start DCing here? Or hey, should I start buying around here? In my opinion, guys, it's a lot better to, of course, try to catch these local bottoms a lot better. But if you are thinking long-term, buying at these levels, of course, doesn't really matter. That goes for any sort of coin, right? Right now, the markets have capitulated almost around 75 to 80%. So buying at these discounted prices for, of course, 3 to 4 year long-term wouldn't necessarily matter. In my opinion, though, I would much rather buy when Bitcoin hits around that $12,000 mark, which should put Doge around that 0.04 area, if not lower, and then look for the long-term play. Because, of course, buying at these levels right now and then taking another 50% dip would mean that your bags are a lot smaller. And that goes for those of you that, of course, were buying all the way up at 0.11. When I mentioned that entering at those levels was insane, you guys mentioned the fact that I didn't know what I was talking about. And again, you guys experience another move to the downside. We have to look at what the chart is telling us, and right now the chart, of course, is saying the fact that Doge is still looking bearish. We are failing to break above these exponential moving averages, using them as resistance constantly, so there's absolutely no reason to be looking for a long position. Even on the hourly format, you can see that we have a very strong resistance point here at 0.07, and we have tried to fail to break above that level multiple times, and of course, the more times a resistance level is tested, the higher chances of it breaking. But the only difference here is the fact that there's a lot more bearish engulfing candles, showing the fact that the bears, of course, are in control at these levels. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.